about the breath, sadhana is gently being aware of breath, and
Yes.
tapas is.
Concentrating on the breath.
So that means that are we saying that things like the pranayama and all that we do are tapas or they are sadhanas?
Pranayam does not require concentration as such.
No, we do that kapalbhati and all.
Yes, I see.
That's an
See,
exercise.
even something like fasting for 10 days can be sadhana and not tapas. If the whole thing is a very effortless process.
Okay.
You know? So nothing can be objectively classified as sadhana
So
or
something
tapas.
can be tapas and then slowly it can become a sadhana. Like if you start pranayama and
That
you're
can
finding
also-
it effortful,
that
but
can
as
also
you
happen.
go into the process,
That
it
can also
becomes,
happen.
a
That can
sadhana.
also happen. Yeah. So the whole thing is that whenever you're doing something, okay, you have to be aligned with it rather than coming from a space where you feel there is something wrong, it has to be set right. My mind is going here and there, I have to bring back and I have to be concentrated on the breath and I can't even miss 1 inch of it, and if I miss one breath every 10 times then I've already lost it. No, none of that. While I'm aware, while I'm not aware, I'm not aware. And then if I can become aware again, wow, thank you God. And if I go here and there, that is great God. And again I come back, wow, thank you God. As simple as that. Then you are not creating two opposites and then causing them to fight with each other. Okay. This is the primary difference to understand.